Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay. I love making projects for children's world, so I create this channel to share with you my passion. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a baby romper. Free patterns for kids under 12 months. Please click the link in the description box to download the patterns. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And let's get started. If you have any old man's shirt or women's shirt dress, you can refashion it into this project like me. However, you can use cotton fabric or lightweight denim for this romper. Download and cut out the pattern pieces. Place the patterns on the fabric, then cut out the garment pieces. No seam allowance because they are include and stand 0.7 centimeters. Cut out 4 strips of fabric diagonally to the width of 3 centimeters. Cut out pocket pattern. Then cut 2 pocket fabric pieces and that's 2.7 centimeters for top pocket and 0.7 centimeters for the other edges. I'm cutting 2 fabric pieces for placket. Before sewing, I use zigzag stitches to sew along the raw edges of the front and the pocket pieces. Firstly, I fold the edge to the wrong side 0.7 centimeters, then fold to the right side 2 centimeters. Turn right side out and fold the other edges to the wrong side 0.7 centimeters and press. I'm marking 4 corners of the pocket on the fronts. Apply the wrong side of the pocket to the right side of the front. I sew the pocket and front together. Next step, with right side together, I pin and sew 2 front pieces at the center line, then press toward 2 sides. They are placket pieces. Fold the long edges to the wrong side 1 cm, then fold in half. Next, I draw 2 lines parallel to the center front and 1 cm from the center front to both sides. And draw a line down to 1 cm, then trim toward 2 sides. After that, I sew the placket and the center front together. The edge of the placket overlaps with the chalk line that I drew. Then sew top stitch. Next step, I pin and sew two back pieces at the center back with right side together. Next, I pin and sew the front and the back at the shoulder seams. Next step, I sew by a step for the neckline and armholes. After that, I sew the side seams and the inner length seams. Lastly, I sew the hems and make the fabric buttons. We are done. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video. Bye.